Hello, welcome to the CalTrap Phase 1 tutorial. In this segment, we're going to go over a function called the query search. If you are searching for an address, it would typically populate on the left-hand side, and the site parcel will be highlighted for you. However, if you want to use a more sophisticated type of search function, or if the search bar here doesn't work for some reason, you could use a search query as an alternative method as well. Let's go ahead and go to the toolbar, select the query button, change your layer to your county parcel layer, and enter the address here. You will notice that a site parcel will also be listed, and it would link you to the same site. Keep in mind that the query search has many filters. For instance, contains, does not contain, starts with, ends with, or equal. So for instance, if we were to search for just the number 519, we will notice that it would list all the addresses that start with 519. However, if we change that filter to equal or an exact match and do the search, we will notice that the search comes back empty because there is no such an address with just a number and no street name. This concludes the query search function.